Hi, this is Shaun Johnson of Johnson Systems. This is the fourth video of the Presidor Wall Station series that explains how to record a DMX snapshot in a theatrical or architainment environment. Please enjoy. Okay, in this fourth and final Presidor Wall Station video, we're going to cover using a Presidor Wall Station in a theatrical application, recording DMX snapshots to record the presets with an external DMX source. Pushing the station anywhere on the screen will bring the station alive in the preset mode. We first have to configure the DMX input priority of the system before we record a preset. If we go into our settings menu and select our DMX, I've previously gone in here and set up all the stations as a dimmer. Now I can go to non-dim and set 15 and 16 as non-dim, and task. I'll set 31 and 32 as task. So now we're good to go. We can see the little LEDs up at the top here. We've got green designating that it's a master station. We've got yellow designating that there's a DMX live source coming into the Presidor Wall Station. If we go to our tool menu, we can now set the DMX management of the internal protocol manager. We can select the DMX input coming in from our console to either HTTP with the Presidor's output or to take priority over the Presidor's output. I previously set all these prior to this demo to select all as dim, and that's how they came up with all being yellow. We could also set them all as non-dim if we were using it strictly as a non-dim controller for controlling relays or hard-fired loads. Once we've got that done, we can escape back out and go back to our preset mode. Now we can do our snapshot. So we can now select whatever preset we want. In this example, we'll push and hold preset 1. And now you'll see it's indicating that we've got DMX live coming in. So we can first label the preset if we want, or we can label it afterwards. In this video, we'll label it first. So I guess we'll call this first preset. We can call it, we'll call it dance. And we'll select OK. So now we've got preset, it's still preset 1. The numeric numbers always stay internal to the configuration, but it'll display as an alphanumeric name as dance once we go back to the preset menu. Now we want to record the actual preset itself. If we push this DMX live, in this particular grid, we've got 512 channels displayed right here. It's also receiving 512. It indicates that we're in preset 1, that it's in DMX priority, and it also indicates the level of DMX coming in. Each one of these tiny little squares here is a DMX channel. There's 1 through 16, 17 through 32, in blocks of 16 channels, all the way down to 512. So if I pull up some DMX, okay, I now have DMX coming in at 38% on all 512 channels. You'll notice the two that we previously configured as non-dims hard-fired. They turned full on, as did the task lights. So this is a very handy way of seeing exactly what's going on in the entire 512 channel space. Once you have what you would like, you simply hit save. Now it's going to tell you that it's going to overwrite whatever is in there, so you have to make sure. You can either cancel and escape at this point, or you can proceed, hit yes, and it'll write over top of what was previously in there. Now you'll notice that the alphanumeric name dance came up, and that's it. That's as easy as it is. To proceed to another one, we can go to whatever preset we want, and we can hit preset 34. Same thing comes up. We hit DMX live. There's the same DMX coming in. Let's bring that up a little bit brighter, and let's save that. and that's done. You'll notice the preset is solid when it's active. You'll also notice that when you hit a preset, you'll get the fade bar going across up here. And that will fade in the exact representation of whatever preset time was selected. If we go to the time and we increase that to 10 seconds, and we escape, now when we hit, we did it for 34. 33 is still default 5 seconds. If we hit 34, you'll notice it's fading much slower at the top. It's going to take 10 seconds to complete that fade. So you've always got a visual indication of what's going on, reflective to what's in the room. Very easy to navigate, very intuitive to use. That's how you record a DMX snapshot.